Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I have this Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions eyeshadow palette to try out. I love these little Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. I have a bunch of them. I've gotten a bunch in Ipsy, maybe BoxyCharm as well. This one here I actually redeemed Ipsy points to get. So I pretty much got this, I think it's like $27 product for free. And these 9 color little eyeshadow palettes seem to come in an endless amount of color variations. And this one looks so fun and summery, very like sunset type of look. Oh, I'm very excited to play around with these colors. It's all matte except for these 2 corner shimmer shades. I love that it has a mirror, and just like I do whenever I review eyeshadow palettes, I'm going to test this with and without an eyeshadow primer. So here I am applying the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and I'm gonna blend this all over the lid. I also, of course, want to do some swatches, so definitely want to swatch one of the shimmer shades, these mattes, the yellow. They have a very nice feel to them. I'm usually very happy with Huda Beauty eyeshadow formulas. I mean, maybe they're not the most pigmented of mattes. Like that red is definitely swatching pretty sheer. I mean, they're true to color, but yeah, like that yellow too. Definitely not very vibrant. And the shimmery shade almost looks like a matte finish. It's like a very dull shimmer. Like you can barely tell that that's a shimmer shade. So here are what the swatches look like. And yeah, I'm not super impressed by these, but that does not mean that they're going to be bad on the eye. So first I'm going to start with the shade in the middle, a light matte brown. This is exactly the type of shade that I like to start my crease and transition blending with, because I love to use a matte brown shade to create contour and dimension in the eye. And this shade works for that. It's blendable. The pigment is fine, it's just not a super dark shade that shows up that much on me anyways, but it's doing enough to give that contour and transition area effect that I go for with my eyeshadow looks. And this is a great shade to pretty much start any color type of eyeshadow look. So I love that this palette comes with a very essential go-to shade. I kind of wish there was like a slightly in between, slightly darker brown shade here, but since there's not, I guess I'm gonna try mixing these two and try and get more of a medium brown to put into the crease here. And these are both very warm toned browns, which are on me coming across very orange. A lot of warm tone browns just end up looking so orange on me, which I don't really love. But aside from the color, this is a really nice pigmented, blendable formula as well. I don't want it to be too orange of a look, but I just feel like it's going to be that way with the colors in here. Let's see, maybe I'll try going away from the orange as much as I really can with this yellow. Let's see. I don't know why I just wanted to pick it up with my finger, because I want to try and get as much pigment from it as I can. Yeah, that's not so bad. Putting this right in the center of the lid, it's definitely giving me a sunset type of feel, but that is pretty. You can definitely see the yellow. It's vibrant enough, but even in the pan, like it's not a super, super bright yellow. It's showing up very true to color on the lid. I like that. I think that looks really pretty and fun. Yellow is definitely an intimidating eyeshadow shade to me, but it's such a pretty color. Now I'm thinking of putting this shimmer in the corner, once again just using my finger, and applying this to that outer corner here. Yeah, that is really pretty. It's kind of like a coppery rose gold shade. Yeah. I'm gonna kind of blend that all together. And then I'm gonna pick up the other shimmery shade and place this in that inner section, inner corner of the eye. And these two shimmer shades are actually pretty similar. They're almost like the same base shade, but one has more of a gold sheen and the other more of a silvery or rose gold sheen. But both that kind of orangey peach base. Just, yeah, not my favorite colors on me. I just feel like they're not the most flattering of shades, but they're nice. They're pretty. They're nice formulas. Going over that yellow a tiny bit more to brighten it up. I mean, I do love the fun sunset color scheme going on right now. It's just not something that I'll be wearing all that often, but it is so fun and pretty. I'm not sure how good this is going to look, but that matte red here just really catches my eye and I want to use it. So I'm going to pick up on a small little angled brush here to line my lower lash line with it. Ooh, I mean, this is very nicely pigmented. It is looking true to color, like a pinky red. I like how that adds to the eye look. Yeah, super pigmented. I'm very impressed. That looks like such a beautiful tone of red. And I guess I'm gonna stop here with this finished eyeshadow look. I did incorporate a lot of shades and it is definitely a fun, colorful look that really does just kind of make me happy to look at. It's so bright. It's really pretty, and that yellow is so nice. It makes the eye look really pop. So this is just a really fun palette to play around with, and I'm very impressed with the formulas, with the colors. So I would love to hear what kind of looks you've created with this palette if you have it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.